Dear business owner, are you seeking to verify your Walmart account from USA? Yes, lots of people in the beginning time, they're facing lots of trouble for verifying their Walmart seller central. There are 4 5 key tips for verifying your account. One, obviously, you must have to make a LLC. And if you are USA citizen, then you have a EIN number, bank statement document, and which is most important for creating the Walmart account, which is called business email and your brand website. Brand website means you have find a brand name, and by using the brand name you have to make a professional website which is looks like e-commerce based professional website. So by using all those information, if you put your all data accordingly, then your Walmart account would be verified. Recently I have successfully verified a Walmart account for my client. You can see, and this is a very new baby store where I uh, got only like 88 order. So I've already shipped 74. So those are seeking a Walmart account team for dropshipping or making business. You can call me. I'll put my number on the video description or the WhatsApp link also. So we are doing Amazon FBA, Walmart, dropshipping, wholesale, Amazon wholesales. So I'm a owner of realfba.com. Last 3 years, I have been doing the business and working as a virtual assistant. So if you need any help, you can call me. Thank you so much.